This is very, very, very surreal.
I've never seen it from here. This might be my favorite view.
I was chosen to be the artist for a permanent installation in the Indianapolis International Airport.
It's so pretty. Oh no, I'm gonna cry. My name is Brenna McCarty. This sculpture installation is titled Blue Skies. It is 100 feet in length, about 40 feet in width, and has about 207 spheres in total. It encompasses the space directly above the escalators that go to baggage claim. When I thought of it, I was like, okay, if you're seeing this shape happen as you move further down the escalator, you have the lightest parts of the spheres at the beginning, the most spaced out, and the closer you get to the center, they start to swoop and become closer to you, and how the piece looks changes depending on where you're standing, or if you're moving or not moving, and that's very exciting for me because that's something that I can't predict as an artist. Ever since I've flown in and out of the Indy airport, I've been so inspired by the architecture, how sleek it looks and open and expansive, and the natural light coming in creates such a luminous space. Always, when I get back to the Indy airport, I'm like, oh, like a breath of fresh air. So I just wanted to convey that.
I chose the color blue because blue represents blue skies to me, open space, freedom, imagination. And blue also carries various symbolic meanings around the world. In the sphere, that shape specifically just is so timeless, and I think it means a lot to a lot of people, even though it's just like an everyday shape in our lives.
I love them. I love them.
Thank you to the airport and the International Center and Herron for allowing me to create something with such intention and beauty, and so thanks. It's an honor.
The most interesting thing to me about art is when the art begins to tell you about itself, and I think it's up to the artist to listen. And I think that's what we did with this, with the pigments, because the human-made, the texture, I wasn't ready for, personally. But when I saw it, I immediately knew, okay, it's my time to listen. We are creating a piece that is being made in a very tranquil way, a very grounding way, a very peaceful way. I think it's important to have something grounding in an airport, something peaceful, a breath of air. The airport can be chaotic, just a moment of breath for people that are flying. To have a piece to leave in my home state I never could have anticipated this. And I feel like this is my thank you to Indiana, Marion, Indiana. It's the legacy thing. I think that feels really important to me. And what a gift to be able to leave that behind, you know, and always have something to come home to as well.